difference is all things laid over here. Today I am working with ULA Hair, ULA Hair, however you want to pronounce it. They have given me a 2x6 closure. That's the small closure that everybody is rocking now. Instead of the big bulky closures, the wide closures, I'm gonna show you guys how to lay a flawless 2x6 closure quick weave with 22, 24, 26 inches of Brazilian hair. As you can see right here, this is the 2x6 closure. A lot of you guys are asking, what is a 2x6 closure? This is what it looked like. If you guys are trying to get a center part, you guys wear center parts all the time, and you guys like hair to flow flawlessly in your face, this is what you need. Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much throughout the video. Basically, what you're seeing me right now do is lay the foundation. Foundation is key. She's getting a quick weave, so I did use 2 of the new caps. You want to make sure that you don't cut the second cap. I wish I would have kind of like laid this cap as like a front tube. You know how they kind of like glue the whole perimeter around. But hey, this is my first time, so when I noticed that when I sewed the cap down, because you have to sew it down in order for you to, you know, just so the back won't be rising. You just know how these caps is. So when I started to sew it down, I was like, oh, okay, I might have to glue it. So that was one of the mistakes that I made, but it still turned out super, super cute. Follow these steps that I'm going to show you guys, and this is a quick weave 2x6 closure. I'm going to curl it. I'm going to have it nice and pretty at the end. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. closure wear, baby. When I say I fucking ate. Okay, she got a little frizz at the top, so we gonna lay that down. Once we lay that down, get those frizziness out the way, baby girl is in the game. Once again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, the 2x6 closure, all came ULA Hair. Make sure you guys go and purchase. We do have a link in the description box. We also have giveaways. We also have a discount as well. Look at those layers in this hair. Excuse my client, she was having a real bad allergic reaction with her lashes, so like she was just ready to go to the bathroom just ASAP. But look at the closure. Layers is popping, curls is popping, and it's a 2x6 closure. Come on, like super cute, super natural. Thank you guys for watching.